Hi, welcome back to the Wellness Artisan. Did you know we can make gluten-free marshmallows with just 3 ingredients? Raw honey, water, and gelatin. Today we're going to learn how to make gluten-free marshmallows. Let's begin. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of water, 60 grams of clear gelatin, and 200 grams of raw honey. We're going to mix them with a whisk and bring it to a boil. Make sure that you whisk it all the way so you dissolve the gelatin. Once we bring it to a boil, we're going to remove it from the heat and keep stirring until you dissolve the gelatin completely. Now we're going to pour the mix into the mixing bowl, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor and a pinch of salt. We're going to start in medium-low speed, and we're going to increase the speed slowly. We're going to mix it until with this consistency, very thick and slimy consistency. Very good. And we're going to transfer it to a square container around 26 centimeters by 19 centimeters, and we're going to take it to the fridge for at least 2 hours, or to the freezer for half an hour. Let's take it to the fridge. It's been over 2 hours, and now we're gonna cut the marshmallows and see how it came out. And we're gonna cut them in squares around 1 inch wide. Now let's taste them. Very squishy. Look. If you like this recipe and you want to see more recipes like this, leave your comments down below and hit the like button.